Hey Cougars, it's Mr. Franklin here, and in this video I want to just give you a quick overview of what's going on with class and how to work through the video notes for the couple days I'm gone. So first, you'll notice there was an announcement this weekend about grades, that I've graded the things that have been turned in. You still may turn things in. Even if I put a 0, you can still turn it in, but you won't be able to give it to me till Wednesday. Okay, so you can still get your grade up, all that good stuff. So make sure that you keep working. So with that said, let's take a look at our notes. So we're going to do notes 1.5. We're also going to do project introduction. And what you're going to see when you go in here is you will see a link here. So you got your traditional slides, so you can click through the slides, but you should really click on the video. You should open it in YouTube and watch the YouTube video. Now, a couple of reminders about YouTube when you're watching my YouTube videos is you can click closed captioning, and if you need translation services, you can actually change that closed captioning. You can change the playback speed. You can change it to 1.25, which I recommend for some of these, or 1.5, because if you need to slow it down, you can go back to 1.00 and slow it down. But I encourage you to watch and listen, because the translation,
and in this video we're going to be looking
the auto closed captioning doesn't always get correct the words I actually say. Also know that there are places where I'm going to draw stuff on the board so that you can get what I'm actually talking about. Okay, so I will draw stuff on the board to kind of help explain what's going on. You may also, there are some fancier features. There's this show transcript. You are welcome to look at the transcript and kind of use that to help you out, especially if you need to jump to something because you did 5 minutes of video and then had to go do something else, and then you need to come back to the video. Please use the transcript for that as well. But you can also, you should be able to, I don't know why it's not. Oh, there it is. You can change the language here. So you can do the auto translate and you can change the language. Okay? So that should be enough there. So also notice on the next assignment, if you go next, there are 3 videos for this one set of notes. It is kind of long, but do the one video, make sure you get your notes, take a break, and then jump in and do the next 2, okay? So these are meant to help you kind of pace yourself and work through the notes. That's all I've got. If you please do what the Canvas assignment says. So there's going to be a Canvas assignment with all these instructions while I'm out, and I will see you on Wednesday.